Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and track your WorldRemit money transfer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your phone's browser and go to search bar and type in WorldRemit.com. Once you have got to this kind of interface, first of all, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, log in with your information. Once you're done signing in, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner of your section, and going to go ahead, go to this transaction section that you have done. Once you will say, let's say you will be able to find your previous transaction as well in the history section. You're simply going to go ahead and find your all the transactions that you have done. So let's say recently. So first of all, WorldRemit will notify you every step whatever it has taken for your transaction already. But if you want to see it further, then you can come to this app or your website and then go ahead, tap on your activity, go to transactions, and tap on the particular transaction and see the status of it. That will be shown. Once you have just tapped on it, you will be able to see what is happening, how long it will take, and how much the process has been done right over. They do not have to do any further activity for that. So this is the way for you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.